It's me standing at Lower Coach Road. There's all the garbage that's been there for months. This is stuff that's out of the ordinary, that is not in anybody else's property. That is an annoyance, especially that. No one else has that in this neighborhood. That is taller than a 6-foot fence in her front yard. That was reported to Mr. Brickle some time ago, but I was told that he doesn't get involved in neighborhood spats. So as we talked about and previously sent pictures, there's the table and chairs. There's the bamboo fence that's falling down. A bunch of garbage stacked behind it. This is some monstrosity of an arbor that she built that was originally from a tree that fell there. As you can see, all the branches have been left. And this is what we get to see from the road. Empty greenhouse, there's nothing in it. Blows down every time the wind blows. So, we'd like to have a even keel. There's her political signs that she took down just before Mr. Brickle showed up. And as you can see, everything's been taken down and out as agreed.
Chickens are out in the driveway.
I can zoom in, but
I'm not sure I understand.
yeah, she's being defiant and letting them all out running now. And I can't zoom mine in close.
It's fine. There's all the chickens that are up there that are out.
I just put them in. Huh? Not moving too far.
There's the garland on the fence that needs to be removed.